Looking for that perfect finishing touch for your Christmas tree? Ribbon can transform your holiday decor from simple to stunning. Whether you prefer classic elegance or playful modern charm, the right ribbon adds texture, color, and depth. Let's explore creative Christmas tree ribbon ideas to help your tree sparkle beautifully this season. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's the best way to start decorating with ribbon? Begin from the top and work downward. Secure one end near the topper, then tuck and twist as you go to create natural, flowing movement. Start smooth, like this if your ribbon drapes perfectly. What width works best for Christmas trees? 2 to 4 inch ribbons are ideal. Wider ribbons create bold impact, while thinner ones are perfect for layering and delicate detailing. Width perfect? Like this if your ribbon feels balanced and bold. What about the top of the tree? Use ribbons to form a cascading topper bow or combine with greenery and picks. Let loose ends flow gracefully for a luxurious finish. Top styled, like this if your tree's crown feels show-stopping. How do I prevent ribbon from looking stiff? Loosen your loops and let the ribbon twist naturally. Avoid wrapping too tightly so it flows and catches light beautifully from every angle. Soft and flowing, like this if your ribbon feels graceful and light. How do I choose the right ribbon? Start with wired ribbon. It's flexible and holds shape easily. Pick textures like velvet, satin, or burlap to match your tree's theme and overall mood. Ribbon ready? Like this if your style feels festive and elegant. How do I choose a color palette? Match your ribbons with ornaments. Gold and red for warmth, silver and blue for frost, or champagne tones for soft sophistication. Colors chosen, like this if your palette shines with harmony. How do I add ribbon bows to my tree? Create large bows for focal points and smaller ones to fill gaps. Attach them with floral wire or hooks to keep them secure and balanced. Bows in place, like this if your tree sparkles with charm. How do I add finishing touches? Fill small gaps with thin accent ribbons or bows. Step back to check symmetry and ensure the texture feels layered, balanced, and inviting. Finishing flawless, like this if your tree looks magazine-worthy. How can I create a cascading effect? Cut long strips and let them flow gently from top to bottom. Use your fingers to shape loops and curves for a waterfall-like ribbon design. Cascade created, like this if your tree feels magical and flowing. How can I use ribbon as garland? Weave ribbon horizontally around the tree or in gentle spirals. Alternate layers for a textured, full appearance that feels cohesive and festive. Garland glowing, like this if your tree feels rich with ribbon layers. Can I try a vertical ribbon look? Yes, attach strips at the top and let them hang vertically down. Tuck ends into branches for a tailored, modern, and elegant style. Vertical vibe? Like this if your ribbons fall flawlessly. Can I combine different ribbon styles? Absolutely. Mix patterns like plaid, metallics, and solids. Layer contrasting textures for depth while keeping your color scheme consistent. Mix mastered, like this if your tree feels rich and dimensional.